540, push back your discretion, call for tow.
Right.
Tractor 540, stop there, wait for Westjet.
They just hit us.
Tractor 540, Abram. Pull back on the gate.
They hit us, sir. They're in our wing.
All over the line.
Westjet 2425, Sunwing hit us. They're in our wing.
Are they pulling back on the gate?
No, they're light. The APU's on fire. We're on fire.
That's 958, 2165.
2165, that's my CT.
Can you get fire rescue immediately?
Mayday, Westjet 2425, we're evacuated.
245, standby.
April Jazz 950 is ready for taxi when able.
That was 950, taxi up lane 6, hold short of Alpha Kilo.
Lane 6 short Alpha Kilo, Jazz 950.
Red 3, you on the frequency?
49, entering at Alpha Mike, gate 174.
Air Canada 849, Alpha Mike 174.
Good. 849.
6208.
628, can you go up to gate Bravo 12 and assess the situation up there?
Roger.
4427.
Ground, Red 5 and Company.
Red 5 and Company, whereabouts are you?
So Fire Hall Road, responding Bravo 12 for aircraft on fire.
Okay, Red 5, 1 sec.
There's an emergency just on the ramp there. There's people running around an aircraft on fire. Just hold there.
Alright, one more time.
Okay, I need the red vehicles right now. Who's calling ground?
Ground, Red 22 plus 2.
Red 22 plus 2, proceed at Juliet. Cross runway 15 left. Bravo, cross runway 23, all traffic holding.
And I'm sorry, repeat the last.
Red 22, cross runway 23, X right, Romeo Alpha Tango.